Hi, Jenny. So I got your email. In your gradebook right now, I'm just going to show you what you need to do to set up your weights properly for the year. So it looks like you already went in and deleted your midterm and final categories, which is great. So let's go into settings. Let's go into traditional grade calculations. We want to address that Y1, right? Term weighting. Click the pencil, and you want to make sure that these weights are set properly. So quarter 3 should be 60%. Quarter 4 should be set to 40%. After you change those, just click Save at the bottom and you should be good to go. And you want to do that for all of your courses. I will send you a link that goes through how to copy that setup to all of your courses. Unless you want to go through and do it for each one, you can do that as well. Okay, any other questions, just let me know. I will talk to you soon. Bye, and stay well, stay healthy, stay fit, and enjoy this weather. Hope to see you soon. Go Bears.